We are going to move to the next step. Let's continue with our account. So now we want to deposit into our Express Ecobank account. So I'm going to do that with my MTN Momo. So if you are using an iPhone like I'm doing, open your dialer just as I've opened. If you are using Android, know where your dialer is. I'm going to deposit into my Express Bank account using my Momo account, my MTN mobile money account. I'm using MTN. So I'm going to enter *107# and send. So if you are using MTN, just follow what I'm doing. And you want to choose option 5, financial services, proceed. You choose 1, bank services, proceed. And again, you choose 1, transfer to bank, proceed. And then you go ahead to choose number 8. Okay, we are depositing into our Ecobank account. So I think Ecobank is 8. So you choose 8, okay, and reply. And you should get something like this. If you're not getting something like this, okay, it means that you are your account has not been associated with your Momo yet. So you have to wait for 24 hours or more. Okay, so mine is here. You can see that the account number I have here and my name corresponds with that of the app, with that of the Ecobank app. If I should show you right now, you see what I have it there. So it says select. So I'm going to select the account 1. And it says enter amount. Okay, I'm going to deposit about 50 cedis into my account. So I'm going to enter amount, and it says enter PIN. You don't know my PIN, so I'm going to cover that part and send. And it says payment made to bank account, your Momo. Yeah, you can see all that. All right, so the rest of the information are not important. I'll cover all those parts. And yeah, we are done. So let me check my account and see how much I have in there. Yeah, now we know we have some money in our account, so we can go ahead and create our virtual card. So what you want to do is open up your Ecobank app again. Open it up. You have some, I have some money inside, like 58 cedis after depositing the 50 cedis. So I want to go ahead and create the card. With all these, you have to make sure your account is 24 hours older. Okay, if it's not up to 24 hours and you are doing all this stuff, depositing and creating the card is not going to work. So just wait for 24 hours after creating your Express account, and now you can go ahead and get your credit card, virtual card. All right, so the next thing you want to do is make sure everything is working, everything is fine, you have some money in your account. And if you are using iPhone, you should be having this interface like I'm having. Like this. If you are using Android, you should be having something similar. All right, so what you want to do is that there are some buttons below: home, cards, help, notification, and more. All right, so you want to go for the cards button. Okay, so click on cards, and the very first option says virtual cards. Click on that. You have a button below, create a virtual card. Click on that again and wait for it to load. And all right, so now it comes with 3 fields. The first 2 are filled up. The third one is empty. So you want to select that and put in shopping cart. Okay, check shopping cart for that and continue. And please listen, if you make any mistake, this thing is not going to work. So you want to follow everything I'm doing, like how I'm doing it, and you want to make sure you are having all the requirements. Now it says you should be having 25 and between 25 and 5,000. Okay, I don't know which country you are, but in Ghana it says you should be having 25 cedis and between 25 and 5,000. Okay, so I have 58. Okay, so I'm going to put in 40, and the reason why I'm putting in 40 is that when you create this card, or when you are creating this card, it's going to come with some charges. Okay, and I assume those charges will be within the 15 cedis. So I'm going to enter 40 cedis. I'll be left with 18 cedis. So any charge that has to be worked out or processed, it will be processed in the 18 cedi, and the 14 cedis will be on the account. Okay, please take note of that. If that is not there, you are going to have difficulties. And yes, so it should be like that. Everything is set, and your phone number should, after the 233, the country code, the phone number shouldn't be starting with 0. you should be starting with the rest of the numbers, excluding the 0. Okay, this is for Ghanaians. If you don't understand whichever part of the country or the world you are, you want to make sure your phone number is intact. For Ghanaians, you don't have to start with a 0. After the country code, just proceed with the rest of the number. Yes, so the next thing you want to do is enter your email. So I'm going to enter my email in here. I don't know if I should cover my number. Can you hack my number? You can't. So let me put my email in here. I have a mistake here. Let me correct that. My email, I'm not going to cover it. So if you want to send me an email, you can just look at this and hit me up. Okay, so I think I have my email right now and everything is set. Okay, 40 CDs, I have 18 CDs left. My number is not starting with 0 after the country code, and my email is not intact. Let me check that and see. Yeah, my email is intact now. So I'm gonna hit on continue, and it says that insurance 20 pesos and it's going to be valid for 12 months. So every information here you understand. Now let's go for the green button again and see. And green, your PIN, and let's wait and see. So creating card, doing top up in card, and says request receive and is being processed. Virtual card top up done. So I'm going to click on that and wait. So I have my virtual card working. I've been through a lot, okay? My brother of those of you who are Ghanaians, you understand. I've really suffered for this to work out. So I'm happy. Now I'm going to go to my cards and see if I have the card and create my Netflix account with it. Yeah. So let me go to my cards again. Manage cards. Let me put in my PIN. And I know most of you know my PIN by now. You don't have any active cards. So let me see. Virtual cards. Manage cards. Okay, I have one there. It says Visa Ecobank. Whatever. I'm gonna view my card and put in some more money. Yo, I got money on it. So yeah, this is success. We got it. I'm so happy. I got a credit card. Yeah. So just by downloading the app and things like that. Now we are done with all this, and the next thing we want to do is transact with the card. Okay. I didn't add that one, so let me put it here. 5. I know the video is long, but bear with me. I have to finish everything in here because it comes with so many errors, and I know you would want to get more videos on the errors that you are going to face. So let me just let me just add this video to it so that we finish it up. So transact, is that how you spell transact? So transact transact and maybe Netflix and Showmax. You know, Showmax has some free trial, 14-day trial offer, and I want us to use the card to get the trial at 0 cost. Okay, you want to get that trial at 0 cost. So yeah, so we are here, number 5. Let's go into that. Done. So you want to open up your browser and search for Netflix. Okay, Netflix. Sign up. I assume you don't have an account already, so we are going to sign up. And maybe the very first option will do. So let's click on that. It says choose a plan. So next, I think we want to go with the lowest one. It's $4, right? Yeah, $4 is almost like 40 CDs, and I have 40 CDs on my card. So let's click on next and finish setting up your account. Next. So you create a password, and then you add your email and create a password, okay? And then you check this and you finish it up. I already have an account, so I don't want to go through all this stress. And before you create, make sure the name of my account is Echampon Lord, okay? So make sure you have an email that has both names. make sure you have an email that has both names, else it's not going to work. Okay, so a champion lord, maybe at some my account is at iCloud, okay, .com. So I have this account and the password. So you create your account. Okay, so before you create this account, make sure the name, the email name corresponds with the name on your card. Okay, the name on your account. Now I have this account already, so I am not going to do that. It's going to bounce me back, so I'm just going to sign in. There's a sign in option at the top right corner, so I'm going to click on that to sign in instead. So let me put my credentials in there. Most of you know everything about me now. You can hack me, and you think you can hack me? You can't. Don't even dare. Don't dare. Okay, now I have this and my password. Do you want to see that too? Anyway, let me hit it up. Let me put in my password and sign in. So as you can see, it brings me here. I have no subscription, so I have to finish the sign up by selecting a package. Click on that. I go to next, and you're still going to go with the low package, right? Yes. So, and it brings us here, and the next thing we want to do is credit card or debit card. All right, so I have already done this. Okay, I've already gone through this process, and it didn't work out because I think the credit card is a CD credit card. Like the currency is in my country currency, so it's not corresponding with the Netflix currency. See, it shows, the package shows up in dollars. It shows up in dollars. It says $3, and my card has 40 cedis. It doesn't have dollars. It's not a dollar card. So for some reason it didn't work out with this. For some reason it didn't work out with it. So I want to show you the error quickly. I want to show you the error. Stay tuned. I'm going to fill the form and proceed. Okay, I'm not going to let you see my card or anything. So stay tuned. So I proceeded and it brought me here. Okay, so after entering my card details and everything, this is the next step. I have to put in my phone number. Don't be looking. Text me. Let's see if it works. If it doesn't work, it means that we have to try some other time. I don't know whether it will ever work. So yeah, sure. It didn't work. I used to get different errors. Today is another error. We are able to complete that action now. Okay. So it's basically because our credit card it's a CD credit card. Remember when we were creating the card, we selected CD. The currency was CD, and now it's different. It's the Netflix comes with $1 fee. Okay, so it's not working out. So this is the error. According to your bank, this card may be too low on funds to continue this adding. So we got declined. So Netflix didn't work. Now we want to move to Showmax. So let's try Showmax out. Open a new tab and let's search for Showmax. Gonna sign up. Alright, so Showmax sign up. You want to choose Showmax, and Showmax must work. So for new users, Showmax is also for movies. So for new users, sign up. I've already done that, so I am not going to go through this with you. Just do this, fill this form, and you're good. This is nothing that you have to go through with me. Now I'm done with this part, so I'm just going to sign in, right? I'm going to sign in with my email and my email. You know my email already. Don't be sending me mails and spam and all that. All right, so I proceed with this. Oh, so I didn't even go anywhere. My password is correct. I'm still here. All right, so from the top you can see watch on all devices, mobile phones. So just go with all devices, and you have Showmax per month, 45 cedis per month. That's almost 46 cedis. And the Showmax Pro is 119. So you want to go with a 45 CD package, and it has all these stuff in there. So look at this. We have start with 14-day free trial. So that is what we are going to do. That's what we are going to do. Let's click on the 14-day trial. Just click on that. Wait for it to load, and it brings you here, right? And you see, if you want to pay with Momo, you just get a discount of 50%. You don't get the 14-day trial. If you want to pay with PayPal, you get it. If you want to pay with a credit card, you get it. So our virtual credit card is going to get us free Showmax for 14 days. And I know, so you want to click on that, the virtual card. And I know what you're thinking. After the 14 days, you are going to deactivate your account. Typical African mind. All right, so you have a form here. Let's fill it up. Definitely, I'm going to, no, maybe I'll enjoy Showmax and not want to deactivate my account. But this is just for educational purposes. So I'm not sure I'm going to keep this account because I download movies offline. I watch movies offline. So yeah, so I have a Visa. Our card is a Visa card, okay? It starts with 4. Our bean is 4 something. So our card is a Visa card, sorry. Okay, so let me get my card details. I'm sure you don't want to see this, but yeah. I'm done filling out the form, so I'm going to click on the start your 14-day trial. Bah. Let's wait. Wow. So it brings us here. It's trying to get access to our Visa card, and as you can see, the merchant is Showmax. Transaction amount $0, and the card number is here. You have to get a code for the email that you associated the credit card to. So the credit card is having an email. You remember you enter that email, so that's where your code is going to be. I have my code. I'm going to put it here and submit, and it works out. Wow, that's it. You are all set. So we have a 14-day trial Showmax. Okay, so click on the Showmax logo and let's go and see what we have. You can go and download the app as well to start watching. So we've done a successful transaction with the card. So now we know that the card works out very well, and we have a Showmax profile. What else? Let's see. Good. So you can catch up some movies up here. Nigeria, for those of you who like Nigerian movies. So thanks for watching. I'm done. It's not being easy, right? So support, share, and all that. Please kindly share this video so that we get there. Share the video and like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you have any complaint, just put in a comment. Thanks.